Hey all, welcome to the next vlog. It's been almost a month now since I made the first vlog on YouTube, and it has like gone crazy, and I'm extremely thankful for that support. And I have read all the comments in the previous video, and I am planning to make plenty more. And the last month has been full of exams, so I haven't been able to post another vlog. So finally the exams are now over, so I got some time to make another vlog. So this vlog is more of like a Sunday vlog. So before that, I just want to show you all the breakfast today, hoping there is no one at the mess now. It's Sunday morning, 9 o'clock. So let's see. That's the breakfast you guys saw, and it's pongal. It's a typical South Indian dish, and we guys just love that, South Indians, but especially with vada and sambar. But I don't think North Indians and other people like that. I think they even hate it sometimes. So that's that. And then coffee. They don't usually keep tea in the mornings. I don't know why they don't keep tea, but so yeah, I drink coffee in the mornings sometimes. Speaking about the beach, today morning I went to the beach at 6:30 a.m. So I just want to show you all some clips that I shot there. So let's see that. And so I haven't shown you guys a couple of things inside the hostel campus. So let me show you guys that now. So this is what I want to show you guys. This is the reading room. This will be open till 10 p.m. in the night, so we can study here. And nowadays I am attending all my online classes here because it's very boring to attend the classes from my room. 11:30 seniors are conducting an unofficial class right now, so it's like discussing few topics which will be helpful for us second years. So I'm going to attend the class now, and I'll continue the vlog after that class. Now the class is actually over, and it actually went really well, and I'm headed for lunch now. But before that, I just want to tell you about Instagram. My username is ARQTV, and every day, almost every day, I post pictures, and as well I post the same as wallpapers. So head to my account there, and there is a Google Drive link in my bio, and click that, and you will see almost 30-40 wallpapers. I have uploaded it for free, so check that out, and I will continue the vlog in the evening. I had a good sleep, and I woke up just now, and it's almost 5:30, so it's time for tea. And so I had my tea now, and I want to talk to you guys about photos. And I've always been making videos and editing on Premiere Rush, and I really love editing videos, but recently I got into knowing Lightroom much better. So ever since I started editing on Lightroom, I have been posting more photos recently. So definitely check my Instagram out. You will really like the wallpapers. And now I want to show you guys the table tennis room, and let's check it out. This is our TT room, and this is my happy place. This is where we used to spend hours before the lockdown, and I used to play with my batchmate Sai, who is our coach, and Harry Totatri. And unfortunately both of them went home after the lockdown, so I am not able to practice anymore here, so that's a little sad. But fortunately I got some faculties who can play TT with me whenever they are free, so that's really great. But mostly I really miss playing with those guys. I'm gonna end the vlog up here, and next week I'm planning to do a long pending video, that is batch trip day 2. And it's been so long, and my batchmates will kill me if I don't do it next week. especially Shravan. And so what I'm thinking is, I read all your comments in the first vlog video, and it was most of them are questions. So if you have any questions that you want to ask, please leave it below in the comment section of this video. So probably there will be 2 weeks time until I make the next vlog, so I'll be answering almost all the questions that you put it here in the comment section down below. So thank you for watching. It's all, I think almost I covered my entire day in this vlog. Stay safe all of you, and I'll post my next vlog as soon as possible, but until then, stay tuned.